DMV. And Jackie, it's going to be a mess out there.
Yes, and we're already tracking a little bit of that mess back out towards parts of western Maryland as well as West Virginia. Now, this is associated with a separate system that's down towards our south. Then we'll be watching that cold front, that very strong, potent cold front that's back out towards our west. That swings through as we look ahead towards later on tomorrow morning, and that will allow those temperatures to drastically drop in just a short time frame. But local storm reports, let's talk about those first. About 3.5 inches of snow has already fallen in Frostburg, where we have seen some heavier snow slide through there not too long ago. Also a glaze of ice, so we could be seeing some slick conditions out there, really right along I-81 and back out towards the west. Starting to notice some of those snow showers are starting to wrap up a little bit back out towards western Maryland, but overall we could see 2 to 5 inches of snowfall when all said and done for parts of the mountains region. Otherwise, I-81, we're looking at a trace to about 2 inches of snowfall. But looking at radar right now, starting to notice some of the rain starting to overspread the region down towards the south. Fredericksburg starting to see some heavier rain sliding in, and that will likely continue to overspread the D.C. metro area. And really, this rain snow line will continue to push its way farther back and kind of retreat back over towards parts of West Virginia and western Maryland over the course of the next several hours as temperatures do warm up a little bit. So again, there's that low. That's for the day today. Then we'll be watching this front back out towards our west. That is that potent cold front that will be ushering in much colder air as we look ahead towards tomorrow. A flood watch, though, is in effect. That is from 11 a.m. this morning, continues through Friday early at about 1 a.m. and that's for D.C. metro area. And again, we could see some soaking rainfall through the day today, leading to that potential for some flooding. Otherwise, we do have a winter weather advisory that's back out towards the westernmost parts of our region, but we're looking at northern Fauquier County as well as Loudoun County. That's until 10 a.m. this morning. Back out towards I-81, that's until 4 p.m. And then we do have that winter storm warning, and that's over towards, say, western Maryland, West Virginia, and that is because of the accumulating snowfall, and that's until 6 p.m. this evening. Storm timeline over the course of the next 24 hours. So we're looking at an isolated mixed to rain this morning. Otherwise, that snow back off towards the north and west. But the rain will overspread much of the region, could be heavy at times. And then we're looking at strong winds tomorrow as that cold front swings through. And we still have that possibility of that flash freeze. So with all the rainfall that we're going to be seeing over the next several hours, we could see that possibly freezing as we look ahead towards tomorrow. Temperatures out there right now, upper 30s, D.C. as well as Fredericksburg. Low 30s off towards the north and west out towards the I-81 corridor. But this is the timing. Noon today, we're looking at that rain really for much of the region filling in. Here's that low down towards our south, tries to push through. Warm front also lifts through, followed by that cold front relatively quickly. And this is a view of 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Strong winds, and we're looking at temperatures starting off into low 40s. However, those will not stick around. Those will quickly exit, and by about noon tomorrow, looking at temperatures into the 20s, and then eventually later on tomorrow evening, into the teens. That's for actual air temperatures. So that's a really big, drastic difference in those temperatures over the next 24 hours. And as I mentioned, we could see that flash freeze. But not only that, this will be dangerously cold over the next 24 hours, even through the next 48 hours. So we do have that DMV first warn day, not only today, but also tomorrow, as well as Saturday. Saturday, bitterly cold. High temperatures, low 20s. Here's a view of that 8-day outlook on Christmas, still below the freezing mark, but then we'll be back to right around the freezing mark Monday. Temperatures moderating Tuesday and Wednesday. Shanika's here with the On Point Traffic Update. How's it looking?